Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following statements regarding disinfectants is not true. So, hypochlorites are bactericidal and inactivated by organic matter. True. Glutaraldehyde is poricidal and not inactivated by organic matter. True. Formaldehyde is bactericidal and sporicidal and virucidal. Formaldehyde is bactericidal. True. It is virucidal, sporicidal and virucidal. That is the reason why we use it for OT fumigation. So it should be bactericidal, sporicidal and virucidal. Phenol is bactericidal and infected and readily inactivated by organic material. No, actually, uh, phenol is not inactivated by organic matter. So if you see the explanation, chlorides and hypochlorites are mainly bactericidal, virucidal, but they are less effective in organic matter, whereas glutaraldehyde is poricidal and it is not inactivated by organic matter. This is less irritant and less toxic to eyes and skin than formaldehyde. Then formaldehyde, it is bactericidal, virucidal and sporicidal. It is used for sterilizing instruments and heat sensitive catheters, and also operation theater fumigation we use for formaldehyde. Phenol, it is active against wide range of organisms and it is inactivated by presence of organic matter. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.